Hi, I'm Debbie Hartner. I'm Elsie Johnson. We are two sisters, Southern Cooking. Hey y'all, I am making the gravy. It's a sawmill gravy that we're going to use on our cube steak, which is country fried steak that we did. And you can also put it on your mashed potatoes if you choose. So I am putting in my butter, letting that melt down. And then as soon as that melts down, then I'm going to put my flour in and make a roux up so that it starts to thicken. And then I'll put my seasonings in, and then I'll put my milk in and stir it until it comes to a gravy thickness. That's it. That's all there is to it. The seasonings have garlic powder, onion powder, salt, pepper, and some sage. Okay. Move this out of the way, don't knock it over. Alright. Equal parts flour, equal parts butter. So you just wanna cook this until the flour taste is out of the flour. Which is probably about a minute.
Basic foundation of your gravy is your roux. So you start out with bacon grease or butter, then you add your flour, and then you add your water or your milk, and then your seasoning, and it's a slow build to make a delicious gravy.
We'll put in the seasonings and stir it. Your ratio to salt and pepper is reversed in this gravy. You do more pepper, which makes sense because a lot of these types of gravy, you're heavy on the pepper. So you're more pepper than you are salt. Okay, I'm gonna pour in my milk. And I'm just going to keep stirring it until it thickens up to the thickness that I like. It's going to take it a minute because that was cold milk. If you're in a hurry, you could warm your milk up so that it's warm, and that way you don't have to stand here and stir it as long because your milk will heat up faster if you warm it. This is starting to thicken up, so I'm going to go ahead and turn it off because I don't want it to get too thick, and you don't want it to boil. You just want it to get hot enough so that it thickens. So I'm going to get a container and I'm going to pour it in there, and I'm going to get it set up to serve with our meal. See you in the next video. Kelsey.
And I'm Debbie.
We're Two Sisters Southern Cooking.
And we thank you for visiting our page. Please like, share, and subscribe.
Thank you.